To show you what happened when they install the fan in the wrong way. As you can see, when they don't put the pin here, the fan can fall at any moment. So I'm going to try to fix this, but this is what happens when you hire the wrong people. Alright, as you can see, it's all loose. So I'm going to have to plug everything, put it back in. You see, here is where the pin should be. As you can see, they put the pin, but not inside of the pipe. So that is why they are having these issues. Alright, so there was no pin here. So as you can see, now you have the pin. So even if you try to unscrew it, it will not come loose. Before you didn't have any pin here. So that is why it come undone. So now I'm going to put it back and we should be good. As you can see, it's firm once again. Now we should be good and everything should work fine and they should not have any issues anymore.
All right, in this picture, as you can see, this is the picture that the customer sent me in the beginning. And as you can see, I mean, someone could have died here easily because the pin wasn't installed, as you can see here, and this is just hanging from the wires. That's it. So that is what happened when you hire these people that are cheap. I mean, they want to install the fan, the ceiling fan, or whatever they want to install, as fast as possible. They don't care. They got their money. They get, all they care is getting paid right away. The customer sees that everything is working, and that's it. And they leave, and you're not going to call them back. In 2 or 3 months, maybe everything keeps working fine until you have some issues. So the customer told me as soon as they change the turning of the propels, that is when the fan fell. And this is their master bedroom, as you can see. I mean, it could have fallen on them very easily. So here I am. With my helper, so we put it back. We put the pin as it should be in the middle of the pipe and the half ball that you see here, and that's it. So once everything is done properly, you should not have any issues. Also, I've seen in another cases where the fan falls completely because they don't have the proper box here, and they install it anyway. So that is what happened. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time.